the world of textiles, where fibers meet innovation, there is a story of sustainability, sophistication, and success. In the present times, environmental responsibility is our collective responsibility, and sustainability is paramount for planet preservation. Fibers, the elemental building blocks of our textile industry, connect us not only to the world of fashion and comfort, but also to the environment that nurtures them. We invite you to join us on this journey where sustainability and fiber are seamlessly intertwined, shaping a brighter, greener future for all. Bansal Spinning Mills, a company that spans 65,000 square meters of state-of-the-art facilities, is a place where quality is more than a motto.
Customer satisfaction is an important aspect of every organization. In our company, Bansal Spinning Mills, we are ensuring that we are giving the best of the quality products to our customers. To do so, we are starting from the raw material. The wool, the material which we are buying from Australia or other parts of the world, we are controlling each and every aspect of that fiber. And when that fiber goes into another process like scouring, combing, dyeing, spinning, so at every stage, the quality is being controlled and monitored by our team, which is working 24 hours relentlessly to ensure that customer is satisfied. This is the reason the customers who joined hands with us 20 years before are still working with us, and we continue to grow together.
At Bansal Spinning, we follow well-defined, proven processes to ensure that the highest quality standards are met. It operates a vertically worsted unit that has capacity of scouring 2,500 tons per year, combing up to 2,000 tons per year, up to 3,000 tons of worsted yarn per year, 800 tons of woolen yarn per year. Apart from this, we are also manufacturing woven fabric 1 million meters and knitting fabrics up to 180 tons per year, 1.2 million pieces of blankets, and we also have hand knitting yarn segment of capacity of 1,000 tones. Here, all your requirements for manufacturing, including washing, combing, dyeing, worsted spinning, woolen spinning, and worsted acrylic spinning. Fancy yarn spinning can be fulfilled, adding to the final product in weaving for supplying fabric, blankets, knitting fabric of single jersey, rib, interlock designs. We are also pioneer in manufacturing technical products of aramid viscose for making uniform which are fire resistant, used in firefighting, oil and gas industries. FR treated wool yarns for use in aircraft, anti-static property yarns, and compact worsted yarn for better appearance for high-end quality fabrics. Through advanced technology and unwavering dedication to excellence, they maintain a leadership position in acrylic spinning with sourcing of best fibers, FR acrylic, cashmere acrylic, anti-pill, giving the best soft feel. We have earned our reputation as a premier supplier in the defense sector, standing among the industry's largest providers of military essentials, including fabric, jerseys, blankets, socks, T-shirts. We are major supplier to paramilitary forces, DGOS, CRPF, Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. Not only in India, we are major suppliers to military uniforms of Korea, Algeria, Tunisia, Lebanon, and many Middle East countries. Bansal's products find their way into international markets, including Europe, Australia, New Zealand, and more. We also offer flexibility tailored to customer needs, prompt service, and the handling capability of minimum customer quantities as low as 75 kgs, all at very competitive prices.
I started this company in 1997 with a very modest capacity, and over a period of years, we grown ourselves as a complete composite unit which produces all ranges of yarns and finished products. At present, we have market presence in 45 countries, and with our continued efforts, we look forward to very substantial growth in coming years.
Our commitment to quality is validated through a series of certifications. We have set industry standards, and we are a Government of India recognized 3-star export house. Our vision is ambitious, aiming to reach a turnover of USD 250 million by FY 2029-30. This is the journey we invite you to embark on with us, a journey of innovation, excellence, and sustainability. In the world of textiles, where every thread carries a promise, Bansal Spinning Mills stands as a beacon of excellence. Your vision, our craftsmanship. Connect with us and let us weave a brilliant and greener future together.